Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be taking another look at NordVPN and my experience with using NordVPN for the last 4 months. Let's dive in. Let's look at some of the new features added to NordVPN since my last review. Dark Web Monitor is now available on Mac OS and is no longer an iOS feature only, but the feature is still not available on Windows. Multi-factor authentication is now also available on all the OS. Security score on iOS, it will rate your protection based on the settings you have enabled for your VPN connection. So if you click on the connect to VPN, it will tell you to try to keep your VPN on most of the time. And if I click on quick connect, it will enable my VPN. Afterward, when I check the security score, it will show my security score has increased. So this is a nice little feature to educate users on how to increase their VPN protection while they're online. NordVPN will block my connection when I am switching between Wi-Fi to data, and I'll need to disconnect my VPN service each time to re-establish my internet connection. When initiating a VPN connection through an open Wi-Fi, the VPN service will sometimes block or connect with no internet connection, and I'm not sure why this happens, but at the same time, it could also be the VPN service protection kicking in. And there's also times when I'm initiating a connection, it will either be stuck on connecting or takes a very long time to connect to a server. I recently gained access to Netflix and tried to access Netflix US content, which to my surprise did not work. I contacted Nord support and was informed there was an issue with NordVPN using Netflix at the moment, but the rep was kind enough to provide me with a list of servers to try, which in the end did not work at all. And with Amazon Prime Video, the result was still the same. After using NordVPN for the last 4 months, the VPN service is still a good overall value for the money. New features such as multi-factor authentication and security score on iOS will make NordVPN even more secure and better educate the users. But using it for streaming service is not that great at the moment, and hopefully it'll get better over time. That concludes the video. If you made it this far, thank you for sticking around, and I hope this video was helpful. Please consider helping out this channel by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. See you next time!